G'day, my name is Cyrus and welcome to IMO. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the rubber foot peg grips on 2021 Kawasaki KLX150BF. This is actually the first bike I've owned that's ever come with this feature stock, where it has a rubber grip that sits on top of the dirt bike foot peg. You'll probably want to keep the rubber grip on if you're mostly doing road riding, as it dampens vibrations and it gives you plenty of grip in the dry. However, if you're doing off-road riding with mostly wet, muddy conditions, then you will probably want to take them off, as taking them off will allow dirt to clear through the foot peg and then also be metal directly onto your boot and give you that bit of extra grip. Anyways, let's get into it. To do this, you'll need an 8mm socket to remove the bolt. Once the bolt is removed, pull the spacer out. Once the spacer is out, peel both sides of the rubber back and then pull from the top to release. To install the rubber foot pegs, open up the two rubber flaps that are on the bottom of the rubber. Place them either side of the piece of metal on the foot peg and then just push it down into place. Then from underneath, one piece of rubber will sit on top of the other and the hole should line up. Get the spacer, push it through the holes, then get the bolt and push it through the spacer, starting it off hand tightening it into the nut on the foot peg, and then finish up with an 8mm socket, making sure not to over tighten. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something. Half of this video is actually from another video of mine where we show you how to reduce the bike's weight for free. I'll just leave that down in the description below. If you like the video, give a like. Dislike the video, give a dislike. Got anything to put down in the comments, please do it. Any criticism, anything about how the filming, please let me know. I cannot learn without feedback. I'm probably going to be doing a bunch of other videos on the KLX as well, so if you want to see more, subscribe. And yeah, thanks again, see you on the next one.